Hello students, how are you? Hope you had a safe vacation. Today we will be starting about chapter 3, the Northern Plains. What is a plain? A large flat area of land is called a plain. As we go south from the Himalayas, we come to the vast northern plains of India. They stretch from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. The east west length of these plains is about 2,400 kilometers and the breadth varies from 150 to 300 kilometers. The northern plains are made up of alluvial soil. The northern plains can be divided into three parts: the Satluj Basin, the Ganga Basin, and the Brahmaputra Basin. Coming to the Satluj Basin lies in the western part of the northern plains. The river Beas is the main tributary of the Satluj. The two states that lie in the Satluj Basin are Punjab and Haryana. The climate of the basin is very extreme. The summers are very hot and the winters are very cold. This basin does not receive much rains. The main source of irrigation are canals, wells, and tube wells. The main crop of the basin is wheat. Coming to the Ganga Basin lies between the Satluj in the west and the Brahmaputra in the east. It covers the largest part of the northern plains. The Ganga is the largest river with total length of 2,525 kilometers. It originates from Gangotri Glacier and enters the northern plains at Haridwar with great speed. Many tributaries like Yamuna, Ramganga, Ghagra, Gomti, Ghandak and Kosi join the Ganga from the left, while Chambal, Betwa, Kain, Sindh and Son are the rivers that join Ganga from the right. Ganga flows through the states like Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. The Ganga is joined by river Yamuna at Prayag, that is Allahabad. Their meeting point is called Sangam. The Ganga takes a sharp turn to the south where it enters West Bengal. Here it splits into two branches. One branch, called the Hooghly, flows through the West Bengal. The other branch, called Padma, flows through Bangladesh. Finally, the Ganga reaches Bay of Bengal at Ganga Sagar. At its mouth, islands of sand divide the river into many streams called distributaries, which flow away from the main stream. The place where river forms islands and divides into distributaries is called a delta. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra meet at Bay of Bengal to form a delta. A major part of the delta is in Bangladesh. The part of West Bengal is called Sundarbans and is named after the Sundari trees that grow there. The climate of Ganga Basin is generally hot in summer and cold in winters. The basin is made up of very fertile alluvial soil. Fertile means the soil that is rich in nutrients. Delhi, Kanpur, Agra, Mathura, Haridwar, Lucknow, Varanasi, Allahabad, Patna, and Kolkata are the main cities of the Ganga Basin. Coming to next, that is Brahmaputra Basin. The Brahmaputra Basin forms the easternmost part of the northern plains. Assam, a small part in West Bengal, lies in this basin. It rises from the glacier about 100 kilometers southeast of Mansarovar Lake in Tibet. The Brahmaputra is also known as Sangpo in Tibet. The Brahmaputra basin receives the heaviest rainfall in India. The main crop of the basin are rice, jute and tea. Shillong, Guwahati and Dispur are the main cities of this basin. The northern plains produce more food than any other part of the country. Therefore, the northern plains are also called the food bowl of India. Next, pollution of river waters. You all know that rivers are getting polluted day by day. Sewage, which is also called the dirty water from heavily populated cities and wastewater from industries fall into the rivers and pollute the river water. This makes the water of the river unfit for drinking and other purposes. The government of India has started a big program called the Ganga Action Plan to clean this river. It is our moral and social responsibility not to pollute the rivers so that we get pure water from the rivers for our daily needs. Thank you, children. Hope you enjoyed the session. Bye. Have a great day.